Kamusta guys? Ito na naman tayo't muli nagbabalik para sa isa na naman reaction video ni Jerome Bardome, ang The Magnetic Icon Elvis Presley ng The Clones. Ito yung video na nakita ko guys sa channel ni Top Up. Ayan, napakaganda ng mga content ni Top Up about kay Jerome Bardome. Kaya bago tayo magsimula, inaanyayahan ko kayo na mag-subscribe sa kanyang channel. Suportahan nyo yung kanyang channel guys. Napakaganda ng kanyang mga content. At wag na natin pagtagalin pa to guys. Nasasabik na rin ako mag-react dito sa video na to. Umpisa na natin to.
One night with you is what I'm now.
In every generation, legends find their own way to connect to their fans. Mick Jagger electrified them with chaos.
Ano yung parang umiinom ng beer si, si Elvis, no? Umiinom din pala sa concert.
Freddie Mercury united them with his voice. Michael Jackson embraced them with pure emotion. In the golden lights of Las Vegas, the king didn't just perform, he connected. One kiss, one scarf, one smile at a time. Just like how fans in the That's Entertainment days would offer Sampaguita garlands to their idols, pure
Dance Entertainment. Si ano yata yun Sheryl Cruz ba yun? Yung sinasabitan ng garland.
devotion from the heart. And if they lived in today's
Tina Paner yata. Alam na alam ko no? Inaabot ko kahit papano.
Taylor Swift era, they'd probably be front row, phones up, taking selfies with their king. That's how Elvis turned every show into a moment of love.
Grabe guys, so pansinin nyo guys, so yung mga nagpapa-picture kay Elvis Presley, no? Karamihan mga babae, ang gaganda mga babae. Talagang habulin to si Elvis
Now, fast forward to today, because in Jerome Everdome's case, his charisma alone brings that connection roaring back to life. Not through kisses or garlands, that's not who he is, but through pure presence. The kind that doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. You can't
Iba rin kasi yung dating ni Jerome pagka nasa stage siya. Tignan nyo guys yung mga nanonood dito sa RJ Bistro. Talagang nakapokus sa kanya. Lahat nakatingin sa kanya. No? Walang nadidistract sa cellphone. Talagang pinakikinggan mabuti, pinapanood siya mabuti.
fake that. You can't rehearse that. You either have it or you don't. And Jerome, oh, he has it in spades.
Always lived very quaint.
Sometimes it's not about luck, or timing, or hype. Sometimes a performer walks in and just owns the room. You can't explain it, you just feel it. The lights hit, the crowd leans
Hindi rin basta hype lang yung kay Jerome Bardome. Kasi kung hype lang, matagal na rin siyang sikat sa social media. Matagal na rin siya kinokontent, di ba, ng mga iba't ibang klaseng content creator. Mapapanood mo si Jerome madalas.
forward, and before the first line even lands, you know something's about to happen. That's what Jerome Everdome does. He doesn't just walk on stage, he takes it over. And with this one night, he doesn't just sing Elvis, he channels that same danger, that same swagger, and spins it into something entirely his own. Because
Bilib ako kay Jerome Bardome, napakahihirap ng mga kinakanta niya, pero hindi siya namamaos, no? Hindi siya nawawala ng boses. Di ba may mga ganon, lalo pagka live. Tapos sunod-sunod yung mga kinakanta. Raming kinakanta ni Jerome pag nasa stage siya. Talagang halos walang pahinga. Pero matibay yung boses ni Jerome Bardome. Talagang hasang-hasa.
let's face it, some people perform, others, they ignite. And tonight, Jerome's the match. Before we begin, just a quick note. This video is purely based on my personal opinion as a fan. It includes my commentary, reaction, and analysis, and will only
Yan, may disclaimer si Top Up.
feature selected highlights from Jerome Everdome's performance. To experience the full magic, please watch the complete performance on Ramon Jacinto's official YouTube channel. All right, let's dive in.
Gusto mo introduce?
Sure. It's none other than, actually.
Pati yung pag-i-introduce niya kay kay Sir RJ Mala Elvis pa rin yung tono.
Sir RJ.
Jerome had just finished Bridge Over Troubled Water, and you could see it. The man was gasping for air as he spoke. He gave
Ganda ng gitara ni RJ Jacinto, no?
everything he had on that one. But the night wasn't over yet. Oh no, because this next part, it's where legends collide. And this time, Filipino rock legend Ramon Jacinto steps onto the stage, guitar in hand. The crowd buzzes. They know something special's about to happen. RJ's calm, collected, with that rock and roll coolness only time can teach. And beside him, Jerome
Parang paborito ni RJ Jacinto to si Jerome Bardome, no? Madalas niya i-guess. Tsaka pagka andito si Jerome Bardome, talagang parang energetic din si RJ Jacinto mag-perform. Kaduwit si Jerome Bardome.
younger, raw, still riding the adrenaline of his last song. But make no mistake, he's ready. 2 generations, 1 stage, 1 song that bridges time itself. The rock legend and the heir to the tone, about to jam, live, raw, and real. RJ strums that opening riff, that bluesy swagger of One Night, and suddenly it's like the whole studio shifts from nostalgia to energy.
Dati may nabasa akong comment, may binigay daw na parang costume ni Elvis Presley, si Sir RJ kay Jerome Bardome. Ito ba yun guys? Yung suot ni Jerome. Itong kulay, ano ba to? Gold o yellow? Parang ganun. Parang merong ganito ring klaseng damit sa Elvis, no? Stick ng boses.
Jerome locks in, mic in
Medyo
hand,
ASCII.
eyes lit, and the first note hits like a spark to gasoline.
Just call my name, and I'll be right by.
This is a man who's grown into his fire, more confident, steady, playful even. He's not just channeling Elvis now, he's playing with the sound. The way he hits those gritty notes, you can tell he's having fun.
Always live very quiet life.
Gaya-gaya niya yan, no? Yung gumagano-gano na balikat. Astig.
That little smirk midline, that's not imitation, that's swagger. And RJ's there backing him, grinning like a proud mentor watching his student take flight.
Here's what I'm now praying for.
Pawis na pawis si Jerome, no? Ang init siguro dito sa ano. Hindi naman siguro mainit, siguro dahil sa kakagalaw niya rin. Kakanta.
The things that we did plan.
What you're seeing isn't a copy of Elvis, it's that spirit of rock being reborn in a new generation. Right here, right now. Every move,
Correct.
every note, every glance at RJ, it's a dialogue. Like they're saying, this is
Dami talaga nakasupport kay Jerome. Halos punong-puno, no, yung bar. Talagang maraming nagmamahal kay Jerome Bardome at humahanga sa talent niya.
what the music's about. Connection, respect, and soul.
Mag-romantic siya ata lahat mo. Nasa ano, no, bar.
And the crowd, man, they're locked in. Some are smiling, some swaying, others clapping in rhythm, some are capturing this moment with their phones. RJ and Jerome got them vibing, not just watching. It's that rare kind of moment where everything past and present syncs up perfectly. Like the spirit of Elvis himself just gave a nod of approval from somewhere up there.
Lalo na siguro kung magaling mag-gitara to si Jerome Bardome, talagang Elvis na Elvis talaga siguro talaga yung dating niya. Kasi yung galawan, boses, kuwang-kuha niya, 'di ba? Yung pananamit. Si Elvis kasi madalas may hawak ding gitara eh. Kaya binansagan din siyang king of rock and roll eh. Magaling siya mag-gitara. Sana rin no, aralin din ni Jerome yung pagigitara para kuwang-kuha niya. Kuwang-kuha niya yung boses tsaka yung galawan. Yun na lang yung sa tingin ko yun na lang yung kailangan niya idagdag eh sa gitara.
I know this very quiet life has been too lonely too long.
Oh
Hirap, no?
man, that grit. That's one fire right there, straight up goosebumps material.
Praying hard.
Hirap no, nung boses niya na yon. Parang sakit sa lalamunan. Yung birit niya na yun, no?
The things that we took plan would make my dreams come true. Oh.
Si Elvis kasi ganun eh. Kaya niya mag-husky voice. Kaya niya parang, ano ba tawag doon? Parang yung nangaharana na boses, ganun. Parang ganun. Kaya niya switch. Si Jerome ganun din.
Now, this is why fans can't get enough of Jerome's performances. When he goes for that growl near the end, goosebumps. Every single time. Never fails. That's the sound of someone who knows what it's like to
Pati
lose,
pag
to
ganun-ganun
rise
eh.
again,
Oo,
and to
ano.
mean it. You simply cannot fake it. When the song ends,
Tama.
you can feel the applause, not just as noise, but as respect. Respect for the journey, the grit, and the fire that keeps Jerome climbing high.
Standing ovation. Sa tuwing nagpe-perform to si Jerome, talagang standing ovation yung mga nanonood. Lalo sa mga concerts niya sa SM, grabe. Talagang mararamdaman mo talaga yung husay ni Jerome eh. Talaga na-appreciate ng mga nanonood.
Higher. And big props to Ramon Jacinto for sharing the stage, for recognizing talent when he sees it, and for giving space for a new voice to echo an old legend. Because nights like this, they remind us that rock and roll, soul,
Ilang beses na nga yata nag-guesto no si Jerome Bardome sa RJ Bistro. At pumunta na rin yata si RJ Jacinto sa unang concert ni Jerome Bardome. Tanda ko yun eh, yung nung binanggit niya yun, parang hindi siya makapaniwala na nag-appear doon si Sir RJ Jacinto.
and spirit, they never die. They just find new voices to live in. This is Top Up, and what we just witnessed was one night that felt like it could last forever.
Dreams come true. Oh.
Husay talaga ni Jerome. Walang upas. Grabe, dalawang legend nagsama sa isang stage. Sir RJ Jacinto at si Jerome Bardome. Di ba guys, dalawang malupit ang ating napanood dito sa video ni Top Up. Ayan, huwag nyo kalimutan guys na mag-subscribe sa channel ni Top Up. Suportahan nyo yung kanyang mga video, napakaganda guys. At ganun din sa ating muntin channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Hanggang dito na muna guys, kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.